Go and cook now. Go and go cook.
I can't believe.
You can't believe what?
When me call my brother and tell my brother so now. Eh?
Marty, I worry about your brother not to worry about you, watch ya. Your brother alright. Marty.
Skinny days I go bitter and skinny.
Who for days are the bitters? Go on, man. Yeah, go on. Now live forever. Yeah. That. And when you're gone, another one gone. You know, I said, I worry yourself and this. You worry too much. Stop worry yourself, man.
Skinny, you never bitter and skinny. You not change. You need to repent, Skinny. Skinny, you need to repent.
You're a Christian now.
You need to repent, Skinny.
You're a Christian. You're a Christian now. Right there, I'm going to go to church Sunday. Early. You have to bring your baby. Come here and turn your baby.
Don't worry about Princess Jane. She govern.
Then you must
and
go
when
on.
me tell her say she govern, she govern. Remember so when I meet me, she been going to daycare. And me been at work. So no worry about her.
But you not cook.
Now ask me if me not cook. When woman cook every day, that in their eyesight. If me not that one before time. I won't be cooking. Find a way out. You feel like it. My God. What's that?
Yes, I chat, so like it. Yo, go and cook your food, man. You chat too much, man. But, I'm here alone for the contact, but all the picnic for me making guy in pot up. Because I know it's enough for me picnic for future. So I take me up mine up one for me, so for sure. I think, yo, come boy your brother and turn and sit, turn away. Turn away. Now we are ramble. Original Skinny, water bombshell.
A is for apple, B is for boy, C is for cat, D is for doll, E is for elephant. Skinny way I want.
That's it, man, sure.
F is for fish.
Yes, fish.
G is for giraffe.
Giraffe. Big. Come here, talk to them.
We don't want no. You know, see me a teacher, baby, want me.
Yes, stop baby, son.
We want no.
Come here, I sit more and talk to you, man.
We don't want that to be more.
That's so cute.
Man. H is for horse. Horse.
Yeah.
How do you spell horse? Yeah, B.
I don't say me love it, not true.
No, you know.
You must have been in the on good terms.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Of course, my love it. You know, say me love it, so stop going, so just a show off. So.
How much have you tell that?
With you.
How much of us to tell that?
Us who? Princess, I love you.
Leave her, just leave her.
Princess. Yes, that one.
Where's Sam? What?
Come here, B. Come here, B.
Skinny walk, man.
Come here, B. I sit me and share. Sit me and share, man. B, stop, no?
Why you do that for?
Stop, no? What is? What is? Babe, what that?
I don't know.
Baby, you don't know?
No.
You don't know?
No. Take it off.
Yes or no?
Yes what? Yes or no what?
Answer me, baby.
Yes or no what?
Sure. Just answer me. Just answer me. Yes or no? Yes. Let me fix it for you.
No fix it. Take it off. It has squeeze me.
Well, stop mostly.
It has squeezed me.
Well, you know some they're very expensive, you know.
It's alright. It has squeezed me.
Yeah, put it down, but. Well, put down, put down it back. Cause you know me love it. And I know that's a yes. I know that's a yes. Smile and baby and stop.
There's nothing to smile about.
Of course. How much woman nowadays I get proposed to?
This is something I'm not find before.
It come like you not understand how much I love you. You don't understand. You don't see it, you don't feel it, you don't know it, you don't understand it.
No.
Yes. Me going married to your mommy. Me going married to your mommy.
Talk to her, Papa.
Me going married to your mommy. Hey, baby. Soon. Baby,
Take it off.
we'll get married soon. So.
I can't believe you really love me like that. Mommy. But him love me so much and yet him treat me so. Him treat me so. Oh God, you can't believe this. What color now? What color, mommy? What's gonna be my wedding color? Should I use yellow? Peach? What should I use? Lilac? No. That's too dead. No lilac. We could use pink and yellow. Yeah. Rose pink and yellow, right? Or yellow. Or we could use orange and yellow. Yeah. Or yellow and blue. I don't know. Okay. I forgot to call Jan and tell Jan. So you're the first person to know, Mommy. I love you, my princess. My princess. You're my darling boy. Oh my God.
Skinny! Yo! Skinny! Yo! Come here, see me here. Over the fence or so.
What boy, Nick? You go out with?
There, man.
There, my bro, man. They
Yeah,
go out with.
No, say, me I keep a little birthday party.
Party.
Yeah,
What? You keep party? You a keep party, your mother a keep
Me I
party.
keep party, man.
Yeah, boy, yeah, yeah.
Stevens.
Boy, it ain't easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
When I party?
And next week, you know.
Next week.
Yeah.
Yeah, next week. Yeah, man, come here, they both, man.
Yeah, man.
So, how much you know?
9.
9.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9.
9.
How the box? You are 9?
So,
How many
yeah,
things
9.
say you're 30? I say you go like a big man, so we show.
Just knowledge.
No, sure, man. See it, man. Yeah, man. I got pass through, man, you know. I am
Yeah.
boy, man, so, you know.
Yeah,
Pass through, man, support him, man. Buy a tobacco like NSC.
Yeah.
I say, yeah, boy, yeah. A champagne, me a buy a man. None alcohol. You go on, man. Oh, me there, man, up the road, me a go, man, and thing, man, you know, so.
We just say me that come link and tell her.
Alright,
You
so.
coulda know.
Alright, when me circle back, me shout it, yeah. Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Outside.
I've just resting for me, so
Maya,
tell me can't bother me.
Maya.
How would that?
Skinny. Maya.
What? Skinny? What no?
Yeah, God. There, man.
Look how long me not see you. I will bring you back here so now. How your woman put you out? Hey, your woman put you out.
Put out of us.
Look how long me not see you. Months upon months upon months. I'm not even one but I see you right now.
So, where's that plan for baby?
Nothing not going in right now. Me the think go for dash you away.
Wait, you're mad? You're mad, you can't do that, man.
Why sense me go have baby for people, man?
Me take baby, stop over yourself. I'm gonna tell you, I fix things, man. Tell you, I fix things.
You can't fix what already broken. That don't make no sense.
Tell you, I put out the baby, man, and sit, man. Yeah, mouse.
Every day, every single day you come with the same bullshit story and I can't take it. I cannot take it.
Baby, I love you, you know, yeah, mouse. You know, I love you. You know, I love you.
You been there said that. Then me no love you too. Look, me de cheat for my man who they help me out. With you see them, me all go pop breed. Pop breed for people, man. People, man, so we gonna breed for. No, me not, boy. He have an idea, can you see me they throw up from when I name something they bought.
I'm not understand nothing about woman, I clown that man. Cartoon. Bob. What a bombshell.
you take serious thing make joke, man.
Oh, my goodness.
No, me feel my niece them they run about them come visit me today. That is not the issue. The
so
issue.
I never see them. Big girl them.
Yeah, they come around. Have them so just come out of high school.
Oh, big girl them.
Where you want to know them for?
I don't say more know them.
I that you come out. Who that then? I'm worried. When I want to talk to you about because I've been texting your phone non-stop. They tell us say I went to the doctor. He said that 35,000 to wash it away. You just brainwash me. They brainwash me and nothing not go on. So you tell me. But since lately, me not see that they happen. Oh God! Hold on there. I don't want to take myself. Let me snap outside. I want this here friendship ring.
Friendship where? I'm married to you.
Married to me, I'm not live with you.
Where's that? Yo, listen. I have a plan. I have a plan. Sure about and after work. The plan you may have been after work. I tell you say after work is a must, it's a sure thing. It's a get go. Once I execute it, after work.
I like you do a fit me. Nice. No look bad. See you give moms one too.
Where? I'm mad man.
Right now you just say confused. Me just say confused. You just say confused. Me go confused. Me feel like me go mad.
There's no con in my game, bro.
You just say play with me. I be a games that they play. Me don't know. Right now see me have on ring. Me don't know. You know what me feel? Me feel sell you and just get rid of that baby.
Sell what 2,500 US me pay.
You spend so much for one ring.
Yeah,
for me.
What you mean? A simple thing that for me, if I'm love you, I'm sure I love you so for sure.
But me still want you get rid of that girl. Want you get rid of that girl.
So you tell say I work on it, I work on it.
When?
Soon.
Every day soon. See, they come with the ring. They tell me don't get rid of that baby. It's like, you know, your belly not going to stay flat forever, you know.
Yeah, tell me I have a plan. I have a plan after work. You see when I understand? When a man loves a woman.
Oh, no bother with it. No bother with it, cause I don't want dead before it's time. No bother with it. I go here when I go do. I go take your word, feet, say you go get rid of that girl. I go have my ID ring to come. I know that the little piece of money I will have. Feet and chop off all the finger. And I go keep the baby. I go back at the doctor tomorrow and tell him say I change my mind, and if I see it say nothing happen, I just go do what I have to do. Look how much people they drink dragon and must see rusty nail. You rather take a chance. And you feel like you know make no change. I don't get rid of it before it all because You know, look good, you know, look good. For all me they see you with your woman and then sitting there, you know, tell me about, go get rid of that girl, baby, go get rid of that girl. You know much, right now, my auntie they laugh off of me and they say, me no sister, me an idiot, you don't get rid of no girl.
Listen, babe, it's good things come to those who wait.
Well, boy, they always say, humble calf suck him most milk. I mean, see me they suck no milk right now, I be a kick the mother, they kick me away.
Babe, we not just send some money in the account.
Money, me no business for the money, baby. I you, me love, me like, me love you till me just want you alone. Me no want to share it with your woman. I don't, me no want.
I will take care of things, fix things, and make it work. You understand?
If you say that, you know. And that me go tell her, not she see short and go on, so he very dark and full. I mean, I want him to raise his vibes for me, you know, for me call the local police wife come kick him in the face. First say so. Why? That's my problem, I love you too much. So you go back home now to your woman. See somebody spotty at me there, you know.
That means that.
I bet you would have better for me if they go tell your woman because she will run you out quicker.
Yes, of course.
Later. I say if this a boy you know take me for fool something wrong. I don't know what I do to myself, God. How I can breathe for people, man. Fool a frig. Every day, what is money? Money alone, money. I don't know if you're doing it, you know, say anyone see now operate right. I go take your money and wash away belly. Weird. True, me love people, man. That's a problem. You're weird.
I don't know how them for. How them girls feel like. Eh? How them feel like. $30,000 US. For ring me figure home man. My father no grow me so. Tricks in trade. Matches boxing business.
Manchkin.
I want this skinny there. Skinny eye!
Who are you calling skinny?
Evening, miss. You know, see a skinny me they look for my baby father. Yeah. Oh, yeah, my auntie.
Which skinny you looking for?
You don't know skinny, tall, skinny where any ear ever raggedy. Immediate talk.
Skinny are your baby father?
Yeah, you never know that.
Hold up your hand for me now, please.
How? Baby nice too. Are your baby this? So
I don't understand. You just walk in the yard and ask is skinny.
Then me not just tell us say me look for my baby father. What part of that you not
Skinny
understand?
is my spouse. I live here with him.
You what is spouse? What that means?
Skinny and my man and me and Skinny live together. And you're bold enough and I'm sure that you knew that.
No, I didn't. Honestly, I didn't know. Skinny never tell me that when Skinny
Okay, so
me.
what brings you here?
Because me they look for Skinny from Skinny breed me not see Skinny or not Skinny. They go like he want me alone for look about the baby or the pregnancy.
Well, he is not here now and he will not be here anytime soon.
So when he go come back,
He is your baby father, you should know that.
Then Skinny not change number for me. I must because this is yeah.
We've been together for a quite while now.
How long now? Because
It doesn't matter how long now. That's no beneficial to you.
Miss, so why attitude for?
Am I not supposed to give you an attitude?
For what reason?
I live here with my spouse and you came
I'm
here.
my baby father.
Okay, we'll see about that. You deal with Skinny with that and I will deal with him regarding that part.
Missing
because if you come up here and you're telling me about your baby daddy, how do you expect me to feel about situation like that? Which it comes to me as a surprise.
Miss me if you know saying
well, he's not here right now, so can you please excuse yourself?
Oh, what is here?
Excuse yourself. He's not here right now.
Left till my picnic pack home here. So
you need to take your leave.
You don't easy. You're not even would sympathize and say Skinny really. So you.
Oh, sorry to hear that you're pregnant.
So that gonna make me keep the baby.
I'm sorry to hear that you're pregnant. Should I say?
When
Miss,
woman
please
go
excuse
come,
yourself.
that me want know. When
Excuse
woman
yourself,
go there,
please.
come here. When woman go come, have you skinny picnic this year too? Hello, miss. Have you skinny picnic? Jesus
don't touch
Christ!
me.
It's-
Don't you dare. Don't you
Lick
dare.
me, miss. Lick me.
Excuse yourself.
Lick me. You can't beat skinny and me you want to beat.
Excuse
Me dey
yourself.
ask you if I skinny picnic this year cause it come like
Just
the skinny they grow and they breed up everybody.
Don't let me lose my patience, please. Excuse yourself.
This is all woman here.
Excuse yourself.
Woman here. Me not even know what skinny have woman live with. When skinny they sleep out, you know what skinny they do? Yeah. So woman here really lucky bad. Hey, you have a fool mother, you know. Lord God. What if you have a skinny, you look different. You really look different. Most skinny picnic. What is a picnic, you look different. Me, I want this to palm it here, God.
But she not easy. This a girl not easy though. She coulda never be easy. Eh? She coulda never be easy. But I wonder what Skinny I think so though. What Skinny coulda really I think? Skinny really breed that? Skinny really left and go breed woman out the road? Me and him when he come here this evening. Me and him when he come. Me and him when he come here this evening. Me not understand. Hey, man a real dog, you know. Man a really dog. Man a really dog. Skinny really breed him. Skinny really breed she. Mommy, you see what's happening? I got a lot to tell you. I got a lot to tell you, Mommy. Come here. Ma, I got a lot to tell you. Yeah, Munchkin. Could I walk across all of this, lad? Huh? Really? Really? Somebody have to go there in this. Come, let's go inside, Mommy.
Chia, where you call me in a bush for now?
I mean I'm call her for. You don't know what I call her for.
Nope.
Yo, how kind of style that man?
What you talking about now?
You don't know what I talk about. Yo.
No, ain't no mood of that.
We are doing my yard. We are doing my yard.
I never got your yard.
Yo.
Who said I got your yard?
Think man a laugh. Hey, me know say you not got me yard
Who said
today.
me got your yard?
You not got me yard today.
You went there your yard.
Yo, you can't do them sitting there.
Oh, so you want to come beat me after your mad girl run me down with my shit
Yo.
and take up chair? You mean me can't go your yard?
Yo.
Then if you hide from me, when me go look for you?
Your mother sitting? You're mad? Eh? You're sick in the head?
Why? I can't stand you.
We are doing my yard.
Me say,
We are doing my yard.
I couldn't find you.
Me not tell you say me I go fix things, man, and make things work, man. You can't wait.
Then
Have
that's
look
why.
patient, no, man.
Then that's why me say me go help make it, the process
Help
move
what?
faster.
Then me tell you say forget me yard. Eh?
No, you they take too long. So me when they oh me love you bad, me have to try help you out.
Come here, man. Sure.
Don't deal with me so aggressive.
Yo.
Cause you don't
Yo,
want to feel like
listen,
a
man.
idiot mad girl.
You
So me
know
have
say
to
me
speed
love
the
you, man,
process.
and sit, man.
So what make you take so long? That me have to
All
go
you
your
have
yard.
to do is just wait, man. Just wait, no,
Then
man,
no
baby.
help me, they help you out. You should be appreciated.
Just wait, no, man.
I want me to do. You should have. Your girlfriend said something like he say, "Yeah, must be spouse sponsor."
Spouse.
Me not understand what I mean, but something like that
Listen,
he
man.
say.
Listen, man. Anything you must say a lie. No go so. I say,
Me
I say,
also want to go. Me
man.
see I
That's why
want
I
to
get him
baby.
out of my place.
I feel baby.
Feel for baby. You look like me.
Oh, look like a
I think
real
me a one up
Indian.
jacket. That one baby me have one baby. And I think
Me
that
say,
man.
if you not take me for either, play with me.
Come on,
Skinny,
baby.
I beg you to play with me.
Well, play there.
Play
That's
with
love
me.
them, man.
And then I go talk about me mad. So, oh, you know, jump on your woman to run me down with
Then
my
I'm not
shit.
go run her out, man.
And
But now
that's
come on
just
me
the-
yard again, man.
If you dey take long,
If
me
you
go
have
come
look
on
a
your
style,
yard.
man.
This a trip here when me dey come on your yard and me
That
bag
rain,
me dey go
that
come
rain,
with.
that
And you have me
fall,
dey meet you in a bush in a rain. It's not easy. You see all the ring where you give me come like a be a salt, this or your woman salt and your salt, it's just a follow me.
Kinda
Me
so.
a last piece of ring.
Yo. Oh, you feel last ring. You know how much money me pay for that? Yeah, I joke thing, I joke here, man.
I mean, no,
You
me
sure I
say,
sell the ring?
me not sell you as a god.
Yo.
The
You
same
sure
day
I
me
sell
go
the
home and
ring?
me
I want the Yo, come like a joke thing when you take man
dey-
thing
See, a
for you,
cross
know?
is the follow you, the woman where you live with salt. So salt is the follow
Yo.
you two away.
You know how much money me, yo, boom bad. So I saw when my married to you and buy a wedding ring for 20,000 US, I gotta take it and dash it to her. I sell it, me not to know what you do with it. I joke this, yeah.
You make me
A
tell you
story you
something.
tell me. I'm moving, not you.
Not a story,
I'm
nothing like
moving,
that.
man.
They make me
When I
tell you
end,
something.
when I end.
Yeah, this a little mad boy yeah, where they
How
come
did
tell
you-
me, say me mad.
Yo.
Let me tell you something. If you won't give me the ring with a willing heart, it
Then-
would last from me.
Then I will not me give you a ring.
And it last.
My
My people them always tell me sometimes people give you things and then they want to give you. It's either I say bad
joke.
happen to you.
I got a joke this, yeah.
Talk about joke. They don't want to give me no ring.
You want me
Look
to
how
ring
long.
when me give you?
Me say me no know where they
Want me to ring when me give you?
me go have to look for
Yo.
it. Probably be there and me not even know say it is there. So if your woman the chat off him out say, nah, he not going.
Yeah, me help them. Yeah, me help them. Them money are doing it, so. Yo, me tell you, say, me have a deal with it, so for sure. I don't know what things so for sure. Just give
I'm
me a little
becoming
time. Man.
impatient, honestly.
I
I'm
run him
becoming
up, man.
so impatient.
Today me I run him up, man. Just wait till me call you, you know. I go shout you up and make you know how I go on, man. Because I have to put her
I
out.
change your number. Come in the
No,
call
man,
you
you
and
know,
they
say
say
phone
me
now
call
works, so for sure,
restricted.
see, me not to have the phone pan.
Your woman goodly I'll turn your chick back for you, something like that.
No, man, me I tell you, say last, man, phone
I
last,
block
man.
you block me and they come tell me, hey, me tell her this yeah. Me no know
Yo.
idiot, me no know idiot girl. So stop going like you want to take me for fool.
Baby, you know, say me love you. Why more that? Come here, man. You love me?
Oh God, I mean if me love you, like, want make you feel my guy your yard. When you go pack my bag, you know, and carry it coming up.
I want to get 2 more baby.
Hey, where that go? Me not see you have one Indian baby there, man. Buy a stroller. Big old dear stroller you buy the Indian baby.
Man. Me not buy him nothing at all. Me never buy that baby a thing. Not even ice
Me
me.
go want my baby get stroller too.
No, I special one, you know, the remote one. You
No,
can just put up-
never
put him
heard
in
of
the-
it.
Alright. But you know, enough things are going, man. Me I tell you, enough things
You
are
should
going.
be grateful. Send me the help you. To make your woman run you out then if you know
but
want to run him out.
me no want you come there. Me no want nobody say
You know what?
yeah,
I left my go left from that
Listen,
spot here right now.
babe,
Call me
listen,
on
no
my
want nobody
phone.
say I gang goat, you know. And then sitting there. Me no want nobody look for you in no way. Remember say you queen.
Right now, me a go goat in a them a
Baby,
little
you
bush
queen,
with you.
baby.
Me say I left my go left and go home right
Baby,
now.
Tapor
Because I
yourself,
don't want
man.
nobody pass me as and see me with people,
Tapor yourself,
man.
man. Me
Me
put you
no
up,
want
man.
nobody pass me as and see me with people sponsor her. Oh.
Babe,
Skinny, if I that even you right name, because when me dey ask you Skinny, you come, the woman say, who name so? Who name so? Who name so? I that the woman they ask. I don't think, you know what? Me see you in our next time. Don't worry yourself.
my baby mother, yeah, man. So.
Me say, don't worry yourself.
Baby
Take
mother.
along with what you're doing.
Baby man, I get a phone and shout, yeah?
Yeah. So you say.
I love you, no, baby.
Call me after they walk through bushy people.
At least that baby, man. You so by your car, yeah?
That's how I'm out to say.
Boy, woman fool, so till them fool. What a bombshell. But then it's easy. You left out of this place, man. Yo, Billy.
Yo,
Outside.
why pray?
Oh, you're there?
Yeah, man.
Where they go out with?
Me there, my friend, I'm going easy,
man.
man.
See how come on them, man.
Yeah,
you know?
man.
For
Everything
real,
up.
man. Them there, man. You know, say, catch up stick me come borrow though.
You know, say I use my father.
Judge, I mean, not take too long with it, bro, God, man.
Alright, my boy. More
bring it back, man.
Yeah, man, a normal pre-man, more I care about my friend.
Yeah,
Because I eat my only movement, you see?
Man, nah, I can't stay there.
Alright,
man. Let's go on with the face.
Yeah,
you know?
man, I say 40,
yeah, bro,
man.
God, man. Me so link you.
Alright.
Yeah. Sean. Sean. Chantel. Chantel. Hey. Hey.
You know last night?
You know hear me and call her?
I want.
Babe. Baby nearly dead, you know. You know, baby, can't believe it. Yo. You know, say I dead, me nearly dead, so for sure. Chantel. Yo, then sit down and like, they can't lick me down look while, you know. Mash up your whole of my foot look while. Babe. 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 Really, babe? Really? Babe, where you going to see? Babe.
In there. Talk to me. Until I can prove your innocence, just don't deal with me.
Babe. Yo. Babe, this is my foot. Them mash up my foot and I look on it, babe. Yo. Babe. Father God, I never know say pain so hot. Babe. Good. That's the thing I know work out, you know. Babe. Jaja. Fall asleep, I'm kind of like you would. Yeah, alright. Fall asleep. Babe. Babe, know. Down here hard. Jaja. Down a difficult. You know. What a bombshell. What a bombshell. Alright. Know yourself. I'm going to show you who's skilling at this. What a bombshell. We are going with.
We mean me are going with?
I mean what me are going with. You know, come on me here that tell me woman boy you breed.
Who me know your woman? Who me know your woman from? Me know your woman?
Yeah, me say if you breed, you breed.
Me let me a breed, I'm for breed.
So you come reach a my yard and I tell my woman say
me know your woman, tap chat shit to my ears and go wash out them out with hot water.
Come like, yo, what kind of start? So like she tell upon you.
What you mean? Me know your girlfriend Adams?
You need to call her and make sure know say she fit tap tell her upon you.
And that me out for do me to have her number.
Give me a phone and put in the number.
Put in come on no one me and girl will argument.
She tell me say you come down and talk about yeah baby mother and then sitting there and things. Yeah.
Put in the number man, put in the number come on no one me and your girl not contact.
Oh my God, yo. I'm not remember it. Say it, put on speaker. You have to style her and make sure know if she stop tell her.
Come on. I don't want no girl have my name in their mouth now. Hello. My ear say, oh yeah, tell your man say, oh, me a breed. Listen. I'm here say to me come in your yard.
Of course you come on my yard. What?
Wrong person, wrong address. You're too bright, you're too mixed up, man. But me come your yard. Me come your yard, man. Me too no shotty man live, but me come your yard. You're too bright, you're too mixed up. Come on from my phone.
Yeah, man, for sure. She tell me not tell me say you come there and say you know some mother want you breathe for me for sure. God no. Yeah, God no joke.
It's not a good thing.
Yeah, watching. Remember I carry my promise. I'm gonna line up that for you. I'm gonna run away and put you. Me and you are gonna live together and breathe you for sure. Yes about that.
That can't go on, that can go on, yes.
Yeah. Because you know say her wife is so for true.
Yeah.
Come on. Say nice and pretty. Yeah, me not beat up so again, I swear. Yeah, man, your skin too clean for me to beat up.
Not
so.
true. I know I realize, but glad I realize.
Yeah, sorry about that, man. You know I love you so for true, man. I'm married in a big man thing. What you say about that?
What you mean that figure and ring for the finger?
Oh, what a bullshit.
This girl come like, I wonder if she's psychopath. Cause she say, she no come on me yard. She come on me yard and then, what would she get me number though for call me? What is? This girl I say she no come on me yard and me mix up and, what is that? No, sir, that girl here crazy, that. And look how me vex is skinny. Oh, Jesus. Some girl come like say she crazy or something. Me want to her probably.
Babe. Babe. How you do it out there, sir? Hmm?
Was taking up the pins after like.
It's alright though, babe. Babe, you really not pay me no mind. And you see they nearly kill me a road. And babe, do you know?
What really happened to you?
Chantel, you see, can't believe say you just not pay me no mind and say,
But
what
what
could I
really
do, you know?
happened to you? What really happened to you?
Me across the road so for through and one car just right now my right foot so for through and
Me know
my
you
left
stay.
foot.
Me know you stay. Me know you cannot fake it because me know you stay.
No babe, but me I tell you say you hold my foot these cell press there, you know. When you go and sleep, you know, me have to take care of myself. Me have to put warm water upon it and sit.
So how you feel now?
If you look better, you know. I know.
Oh.
You understand?
Something bother me though, cause
What about that, babe?
me call her and me tell her say this girl come on me yard or something. Come here. And
Then me not tell you say me no know no girl be you call me and I tell me about girl and sit. Me can't even lick me down and
Just
kill me.
listen what
And
me
then
say
me
now.
reach home you not talk
just
to me.
listen to what me I say. The girl did come here for you, but today me get one call from my phone. She a say she call me and she a say she never come on me yard. She never come on me yard and why me a mix her up and I say oh.
She call her?
She come
Then how
yeah,
she
oh,
get your number?
I don't know how she get me number.
How the backside? Oh she stay? Oh she look?
She black and slim.
Black and slim.
She kinda
Black and
like
slim.
her face kinda look.
She slim like straight face.
She little, I want little girl.
Babe,
Like
God,
little.
Jano. Babe, I want to look a mad girl, you know, all she do is walk around and give problem and go in a peep. Yeah, third. Since the other day, she make one couple break up.
But me been a tell her how
she
she
have one
stay
style
already.
I
Me
tell
tell- me
people
been
how
a
she
tell
pregnant for them.
You ask me already
can't
and me
believe
tell
them
you.
say really. Joke this. Imagine me nearly dead and this mad girl come in her yard and I come tell her say me or baby father and you believe that? You believe a mad girl over me? Oh God man, Father God. You see I know. You see I know, Father God. You see I know. I can't believe say you put a mad girl over me so for sure.
But how me fi know say she mother not like me a go her road, me no know.
But you not
people.
talk to me. You not talk to me from when. You ignore me. Right now me hungry, me not to eat from when.
And I didn't cook either.
Say you not go cook, babe.
No cook today.
Go for it. Babe, you have to cook, man. Please, you have to cook. I'm hungry, babe, I'm miss you. I don't miss you, babe. You cook? You cook, babe? Man, stop the foolishness. You cook?
Baby.
Babe, you go, you go.
Take it time. One. I was in that bathroom looking everywhere in my kitchen, in my living room. Everywhere me look, me can't find it. Huh? Where's the mommy? It's where mommy put it. Me look everywhere, me look for it, everywhere. What me I go do now? What me really put the God just... Oh God, I'm tired, Philip, I'm tired. I look everywhere. What really I can't find me. What else me Philip? Me look over the door top. Oh God. I know me not put it over there. When I don't know what else Philip.
Man tell him saying for rake up the yard and you don't want to rake up the yard now. Come like a fish bone run up in a man foot. Yo.
Yo, bad man, yo. Me not tell you to leave my man alone, brother. Brother, you go on with brother. You may tell me leave my man alone, brother.
Bad man, I had in me. I don't girl clown him. Man, come out of me.
I'll breed my woman, brother.
Hey boy, come out of me.
Alright, me not say nothing, man.
Come out of me. Hey boy. I'm not going out of me. Come out of me, dude. Girl clown. How can I drama this an idea? Girl clown, man.
Beer, what kind of nice that outside door out there?
Don't worry about nice, man. I'll go eat that boy for around some man. You come make up in nice and sit, man.
And I make pay nice and I have 3 months so long after wake up, baby,
Yeah,
baby,
you know
asleep.
what talk about, say it must be some yard cut or some grass. Yeah, I mean, I'm full.
And about some girl and sitting there, I don't understand.
Me and get the I doubles, man.
So now you ever talk about girl and breed and one bag of argument and shit?
Which girl and breed?
Me don't know. And if you know what kind of which girl and breed, how much argument. So when man there?
We should be no man no out there. Not tasting no man no out there. Me and nobody no feel no bad name in an argument and sing. There's some foolishness in come about. I don't know when come about that. Some grass cut land business, some sitting so future. That good man. That good. Yeah, where is that from?
You know it's something be nice in a place to wake up with me.
You know, say me hungry so for sure.
Me don't have nothing there for eat. Nothing there for eat.
I mean, nothing there for eat.
Nothing there for eat.
Yeah, that me have them the style them I like today, no man. Find sitting cook, man. I'm to you. You tell me about nothing there for eat.
Don't in no argument with me today.
You ever come stir up, man.
Today is not the day.
You can't find nothing for it. You tell me say nothing there for it.
Stop raise your voice and when I wake up with baby. When I wake up with baby.
I know come like more on a vacation or
Well, me cannot go, just go on. You can't go outside, go sit down or something. Go on. Go on, and me don't want no nice
good,
now.
man. Just need some food now. You can't eat some food.
What?
Some, you know, no pork no left back. Cook some pork, man.
Me have to go out that the pork there and sit down and eat.
So I tell me, son up. You see, you know if you stir up man spirit more while in a man. Just leave it sitting for me, man. Sure. Be you not gone yet. You not gone.
You know something I not trust you?
What do I?
Me not trust you. Something my instinct can tell me right now I'm nervous.
You alone not trust me. Everybody
I'm
trust
nervous,
me.
but it's okay.
Everybody trust.
Yeah, I'm asking everything alright, man, and something me ready. I just the curtain them me have left to take down everything, pack up and everything. You understand? I just the curtain them left me have to just take down and put in a one bag and me ready. And something I remember say me have 1500 black for put in a truck. You sure say you can hold? Yeah. Me have 1500 black to put on the truck. Okay, so everything can hold then. Okay. Alright, yeah man, me ready and everything. So, me I'll just stay here and wait for you or something. Yes, alright. Yeah man, me I go out on the front. Out on the front, me I go right now, go sit down and wait for you. So you will see me out on the front. Alright, sir. Yes, alright. Yeah man, we're going out here.
Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is your girl Murty, right? I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. another episode of one of our movies. Yeah. So me just want to tell you guys, alright? So just in case might feel mistreated any way or so, just take heart. You understand? Take heart, because oftentimes some of us, we're in relationships, like abusive relationships, and don't say I'm talking from experience, guys. I'm just talking in general. Mommy. I'm just talking in general, right? Say hello to your friends. Say hello to your friends. Right now, be quiet. I'm talking to your friends, your family out there. Be quiet, mommy. Alright, so guys, sometimes the question is, why don't you leave? Because I know that a lot of you might ask that question while you're watching the movie. Oh, why didn't she leave and all of that? And oh, Skinny is so selfish, Skinny is so unkind and all of that. But guys, remember, this is a movie. Right, so she's telling you the same, guys. This is a movie, right? And we're only doing this for you. So these movies can be eye-openers to you. Alright? So oftentimes you may ask the question, oh, why don't she leave, or why don't he leave, or whatever. It's not so easy sometimes. Right? It is not so easy, guys. Right? Because sometimes, you may be feeling confused or controlled and stuff like that. That will cause you not to leave. Now, I'm just going to give you some pointers, right? Because while watching the movie, even though I filmed it, it wasn't so easy filming. But while watching the movie, I wrote down some pointers that I'm going to talk to you guys about, and I decided to do this at the end of the movie. Right? So, as I was saying, that sometimes you may be feeling confused or uncertain, frightened, or, torn. Just take heart, guys. Because, change is possible. You understand? Persons, they can change, but it's not so easy. Right. And I just want you guys to know that if you are in an abusive relationship, do not blame yourself for getting battered or mistreated. Don't blame yourself for it. Alright? You're not the cause of your partner's abusive behavior. You deserve to be treated with respect. Right, so as I was saying, guys, you deserve to be treated with respect. You deserve a safe and happy life. Right? And if you have any child, or if you have any children, those children or that child deserve to be happy too, and they deserve to be safe. So please try not to be with a partner who is abusive, that will not respect you in any way or respect your child. Alright, because children do live what they learn. That much I can tell you. Because I have seen this in real life situation where persons or children are being abused, and it grow with them. It grow with them, and it causes them to be the type of person that you saw Skinny was in the movie. It contributes to that a lot because of having an unhappy childhood. Right? Right. So Princess Jaina is contributing. Princess Jaina is contributing to that as well. She knows nothing what is going on here, guys. But yes. Alright, so remember that you are not alone, guys, and there are people out there who is waiting to help. So if you're in an abusive relationship, do not just sit and get yourself battered. No. Talk to somebody about it. Talk to somebody that you feel safe talking to. Do not go just about talking to anybody, because some persons, this is real life situation. Some persons only want to listen to what you're saying just to go blabbering their mouth to tell somebody else, oh, you know, this is happening to her or this is happening to him. I'm talking in general, both male and female, because men do get abused as well. So do not think I'm only talking on behalf of ladies. No. Men are being abused as well, because you have a lot of ladies, you have a lot of women who abuse men. Physically, emotionally, mentally. Yes, it happens. So if you are in an abusive relationship, all I'm asking you to do today, do not sit and take being mistreated from anyone. You deserve to be respected. You deserve a safe and happy life. You have a lot of men out there, who mistreat women. You have a lot of women out there who mistreat men. And it is so unfair for you to be sitting in a relationship, getting abused, and not say anything about it or not do anything about it. So guys, please, do not sit and take any disrespect at all from anybody. You deserve better. You can do better. You need to be better. Just think about it, alright? Advocate for yourselves. Take leadership in whatever you believe in. And remember as well, if he puts his hand on you once, he's going to do it twice. If she put her hand on you once, she's going to do it twice. And then you're going to forgive him, and then it's going to go on and on and on until he gets or she gets comfortable doing so. So please, I implore you, do not take being mistreated from anyone. It's and I mean, I'm talking to you guys right now. I can go on and on and on, but just thinking about it, and you know what? I have to applaud Skinny. I honestly have to applaud Skinny, because it was really tough filming this movie. And I'm proud of him as well, because in real life, he's not such person. And after filming, I had to say, you're good. I had to give it to him. You're good. Because to know that he's not that sort of person, and he actually played the role so well, it shows how good he is at what he does. Right? We're all good. We are all great. And we have a lot of actors and actresses out there who can do the same. Right? So I just want to thank all of you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and not me alone, but all our cast members, we do appreciate it, right? So I guess that's it for today. I have some other topics that I want to touch on, but I guess I won't touch on it maybe in other videos that we will be filming. Yeah. But guys, please do what you can do to help yourselves. And if your partner is in a state where you see that he is being really abusive, even if it's 10%, if you can help, try to get him help. Maybe seek some form of counseling for him or something. Seek some form of counseling or something. Yes, try to help him if you can. If not, get out. You can get out and try to get him help from the outside. Because sometimes you have them where you try to get help for them and it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. It gets them worse because they think that nothing is wrong with them. Sometimes it's caused, as I said, it's caused some unhappy childhood, drinking, even some type of medication that they're on. Who knows? Right? So, big up on yourself, people. enough love, respect, and stuff. Shout out to Jairi Radio, that's in New York. That's JAIRIE Radio, that's in New York. Ben Sashi, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Ben Sashi. Now, I want to also big up Unstoppable Queen, Q.C. Yes, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Alia Official, Richard Brown Film. Big up yourself, Richard. Big up yourself, Firas. And all your team members, big up on yourself. Papa, big up yourself, same speed. Yes, and guys, don't forget, go over to actress Merty _JA to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, alright? And also on Instagram, you can subscribe to her Instagram. Hey, say hello! Say hello! Yeah! Look at them, give them a smile. A bright smile. Yeah! So go over to her Instagram. It's Princess Jana. Yes, on Instagram. My Instagram is Jamaican _actress. Don't forget to follow us. And please go over to my YouTube channel and hit the subscription button. Alright, so we have lots of goodies in store for you guys. We are constantly working because we want to please you. So the more you watch the movies and you ask us, whatever you ask us for, we always try to ensure that we please you. Alright? Yes. So me just want to say big up guys, big up Skinny, big up Michael, big up Bossy. Yeah man, me have to big up Bossy. Yeah, big up Bossy, big up everybody. You understand? So yeah. Yeah. So guys, me have to big on up 100%. So now me don't know about guys. I know me can't left out my ride or die because guess what? I'm a ride or die. Guys, me want big up Lacey. Yes. Big up Lacey. Yeah. I'm a ride or die. Although Uno says she not good. But remember guys, it's just a movie. So guess what? One team, one dream. And already know how it goes. So we don't on a mission. I want please and support me. You understand? Big up all the rest of team members, them where filming in other movies and stuff. So yeah, more big them up. Big up Omar. Big up all of them. Yeah man, just big them up. Big up everybody and enough respect to Uno guys. My heart goes out to y'all because I love you guys so much. You guys keep on motivating me, telling me to do this, to do that and whatever. Guys, I really appreciate the love. Me can't talk, so me can't really talk. Who noticed how me can't talk? Yes, but anyway, guys, me love you guys, and Princess Jana, yeah, she loves you guys too. So big up on yourself, guys. Big up on yourself. Me love you people, me love you. Yes, so guess what? Oh God, oh me forgot. How can I forget? Someone big up Slimmers, yeah. Big up Slimmers, big up Slimmers, big up Slimmers, yeah. Yeah, and guess what, guys? Big up the old bastard Cedar Walk. Yeah, big up the old bastard Cedar Walk crew. You don't know yourself, and you know watch and something. Big up the whole Westmoreland, and big up the whole Negril. Big up the whole Ochi. Big up all over, because we've been going places and stuff, and we've been, yeah, so. Big up on yourself, people. Big up the whole Jamaica. We love watch from Canada, New York, all both the whole USA, all everywhere. Somebody text me today, said them watch from Canada, Bahamas, Trinidad. Yeah, big up on yourself, people. Me can't remember everybody, but big up on yourself, and we love you guys. We love you. So just keep them coming. Remember to subscribe, share, and like up the video them and comment as well. Alright, peace out guys, and we love you.